What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. We are going to put this dresser together. I will send y'all a link of the dresser, but right now we are going to go ahead and install it. I didn't bring no razor blades or nothing with me, so I could have just asked for scissors. So here goes the instructions. It seems fairly easy. Let's see how fast I can do this. First thing we need to do, let's go over our parts list. We did bring our Martisan set, so we have our Martisan tool set right here. All right, and then we have our DeWalt impact driver, and we have the DeWalt bit set, so we're good to go. They label this as A, B, C, D. Now these ones don't have a letter on it. No letters. Oh, and for the ones that need to know, here you go. Made in China. If you don't like nothing made in China, then you might as well get rid of everything in your house, because more than likely it's made in China. They say use a blanket to set this on top so that way you don't scratch nothing, but we are on carpet, so we're good to go with that. All right, so now we need these screws right here. The one that's flat goes in the middle. There's two here that has 2 feet on it. So show y'all real quick. Y'all see how those have 2 little legs on it? These don't have, this one don't have legs. This one is flat right there, and it's flat right there. So that is the middle. So we can go ahead and put the middle in just to get that over with. And there's no special way you could put it this way or this way. Both of them are the same. Right. And they do give you a little hex, one of those hex drivers. Once again, I do have my Martisan, but my drill won't fit in there right there, so we will use the little hex driver that they gave us here. Right, so we got that one in for right now. So this is how you know which way it goes. The flat part goes on the outside. The part that has the little L shape, you see that? It's like a little L shape right there. That is where your drawer sits on. Rinse, wash, and repeat. You see a little L shape right there? All right. The L goes on the inside, so your drawer can sit on it. We did step 1. Now we got to go to step 2. We got to install, look like support bars, and those also get number 1. Put the bar on top. Put the bar on top, and we put our number 1 screws. Now this one I could actually use my driver set. Oh, well, my drill driver, impact driver. Once I get my hand on these daggone screws that keep slipping out of my hand. Done. Ooh, I'm breezing through this thing, you guys. I thought this was going to cause me trouble, but it's not causing me trouble right now. Okay, so now we need to use number 2 bolts, 3 of those. This company actually put the labels on it. All right, it says I need 3 number 2s. There's one hole here, and then another one right here, and then another one over here. So what you have to do is put a screw onto here, and then you put a screw on this side. All right, now you install the 3rd one when you put both of these together. Where is my tool? Oh, here it is. All right, number 5. We have to put on the feet. These are called number 5s, but we in step 4 right now. All right, now these are adjustable feet, so if you have a uneven floor, then you can twist and you can twist and adjust. Right, step 5, dresser is almost ready. Feels good to put your own dresser together. Well, not my own dresser, but y'all know what I mean. All right, so here goes your shelving. The thing with this is it comes with like handles. So you see it got 2 holes right there. The handles are black. Now all you do is, I'm right-handed, so whatever handed you feel comfortable with, that's the hand you should use to hold the screw and twist this. Why am I telling y'all that? I don't know. All right, and I don't have it on high. Put it on 1. Let's see. Yep. I have my drill on 1 and everything is good. All right. So now we have to do this times 8. All right. So we are done with this dresser, little mini dresser. If y'all enjoyed this install, please leave a like, and that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.